Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to request refund on Substack. Now if you want to request a refund on Substack but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you are a paid subscriber and you want to get refund from the writer or the publisher but you don't know how to contact them or you don't know how to get refund from them, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is you need to simply install the Substack app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you need to open the Substack account and make sure that you are logged into your account. So the thing is that Substack doesn't handle refund directly since payment go to the writer. Now you need to go on the writer page of the Substack. So open the writer you have paid the money to. So if you have paid the money to this writer, then you need to open the page and you need to chat with the writer directly. You need to click on the about page, or you may click on the option of contact to find the email, and you may simply contact with the writer you want to contact, and you need to simply politely request a refund and explain your reason for the refund. And also you may cancel your subscription. So to cancel the subscription, so click on the option of profile icon right here, and you need to click on the creator you want to unsubscribe for. So click on the option of subscribe again and you will be able to unsubscribe like this. So you may write to the writer directly to get a refund from them, and that's how you can get the refund. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.